Yeah, welcome back to the channel. You have to look at the Lexus. This is Lexus key for my wife's RX450 hybrid. I have seen some other videos, people stand bending on things on the cover to open. But this one is completely different. Just push out here. Yeah, you come in. You have 4 small screws, so now I just have to find the right type. Yeah, those very small screws. Luckily for me, I have some electrical screwdriver set with a lot of small bits, because those here was very small. X or Philip, but in a very small size, so not ruining them completely. There. Then you have a battery called CR1632 that I had problem getting here, so I had to order them. Here, Panasonic CR1632. And it was going just in like that. Here it was actually a there. Problem here now is for an old guy, these screws are very small. This screwdriver is nice. So 4 screws. It's not the easiest I've changed them, because some have not screws like this. Here we have a locker pin for this one. No, just get that one to slide in. There. There. There it changed. 1632. Very easy. I have many other videos about how to change it on different cars. Also about how to make some keys, because I have a machine to make some keys myself. Here. As a set that we was buying, or bought it for my oldest boy who's working with the computers and alarm systems and things like that. So this set has a lot of nice setup. So I'm running away and borrow it from him all the times. Yeah. Fast and easy change of battery on your Lexus key. Just order those battery. But I also see this key, a different setup here in the lockup. And then I see people have been in here and bending up on things. You can go in here and bend, but on this key you're just ruining. And it's this easy. Don't ruin your key. Maybe it's different on some model. This is 2010 RX RX450h. Maybe they use the same on many other Lexuses too. Yeah, thank you. Please put a like. Please start following the channel. And welcome back. I have many videos about this car. Thank you.